Welcome to this INNO Plus presentation. This presentation is the instruction of installation of Polo and Porker's built-in air scrubbers produced by INNO Plus. Here's the finished product, both the technical room and the air scrubber, shown here with the hanging wall removed. Some considerations. Dimensions. Are the air scrubber rooms the right size? Is the hanging wall the right height? Is the roof high enough? Are the holes for the drip catchers right? Is the technical room big enough? Are utilities available where required? Is there an access door above the package area? Holes for the pipes can be made from the tech room to the air scrubber. Process pit. Pits and underpasses are the correct size. The technical room must be 300 mm higher than the lowest point of the air scrubber floor. Are they built to hold water in the pit and in the buffer area under the table? Is it coated, waterproof and acid proof? Utilities. For power, you may need an electrician. For water in and drainage, you may need a plumber. For the pipe work from the pump to the sprinklers. And for the table build, you may need labourers. Tools will be required on site. Spanners, sockets, impact drivers for assembling the table. A drill, a step drill may be required, 17 mm for installing the sprinklers. Screwdrivers and other hand tools. A grinder, both cutting and sanding, for assembling the PVC pipework. Ladders for access. A level for levelling the table. A laser is better. Glue, cleaner, rag, degreaser, all things required for PVC pipework assembly. If these considerations are satisfied, you are ready to start the build. For further support, please contact us.